There's a new message on my inbox. Let's see. I made a new grounded video. Check it out. Undefinitely checked out.
Melanie. I'm going to ask you to take a shower.
But Dad, it's Saturday. I took a clean as a whistle shower yesterday.
You're going to take a shower and that's final. Take one now or else you're grounded.
First, I will take off my clothes. Second, I will get in the shower. Now I will turn off the shower. Oh no, the water is still running. Oh no, I broke the shower head.
Melanie. Get over here right now. Explain about what happened.
Explain what?
Oh my God, Lisa, get in here quick.
What is it, Stan?
Melanie was taking a shower and then she broke the shower head and now water is leaking from the ceiling.
Oh my God, Melanie. I can't believe that you did that. That's it, you are grounded for 5, 8, 7, 9, 8, 0, 1, 9, 2, 9, 8, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 1, 0, 8, 2, 9, 3, 5, 8, 7, 9, 2, 0, 2, 8, 3, 9, 7, 5, 7, 9, 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3, 4, 0, 2, 8, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 0, 7, 6 years. Now go upstairs to your room now.